Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to mass post on Facebook using the MKTK software based on keywords. With this tool, you can manage an unlimited number of accounts. To start posting, we'll click on the post section. There I can choose to post to groups. So here I'll be posting to groups based on keywords. Here you can set up the configuration just like I have. This is the interval between two posts, and for switching accounts if there are consecutive errors I'll set it to 3 times. So here in the content configuration section I'll select the content I want to post. I can choose any content and add it to the software for posting. For the posting section there are 3 options to choose from. First, you can post to specific groups, posting by group ID. Second, you can post to the groups you've already joined. Third, you can post to groups based on keywords. So you'll precisely set the exact number of groups you want to post to right here, then carefully set the number of posts, and finally enter your relevant keywords here. For example, in this instance, I'll enter a primary keyword like travel or perhaps even cars for instance. So after entering the keywords, 1 keyword per line, you'll save it, then check the box for automatically joining groups and also check the box to post as the group owner with these accounts. Once that's done, you'll select the account category here. Choose the account category you want to post with, then select the account and click Start. The software will automatically post according to the keywords you just entered here. Hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next ones. If you're interested in a tool like this, please contact me using the information I've provided below. Goodbye and see you again.